All right, so this is Scree, and I think the next step here is to get back to Ubuntu 2.0.04, and Nathan came in. I think he got me here. The memory stick is no longer in there. That's Bluetooth fob. So download and install the factory operating system. Let's just do that. Select reset option. Connect to the internet, fine. Data will be permanently deleted. Okay, that's fine. Let's begin. Do not back up my files. Woo! Next. Delete all system data. That's pretty hardcore. Okay. I understand. Select reason. Performance and lockup issues. I'd say that's it. Next. Disk for cloud restore. Oh no. Permanently reinstall. Transfer. I don't have to do that. Connect to the internet, yes. Do not back up my files.